Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Bashir and I am the student of Rehan School Islamabad F8 2026. So yeah, this is my TEDx on the topic of inside the bumpers. So let's start. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I want to talk about a very serious and emotional topic inspired by the TEDx talk inside a school for suicide bombers by Sharmeen Ubaid Kemi. This talk is not about fear, it is about awareness, education, and humanity. The speaker takes us inside a hidden world where young children are influenced by manipulative thinking. Many of these children are not born with hate, instead they are often by for intelligence. This reminds us of one important truth: education can shape minds either positively or negatively. When children are given love, guidance, and opportunity, they grow into responsible and peaceful individuals. But when they are surrounded by violence and misinformation, their future can be damaged. The talk also teaches the importance of asking questions and thinking critically. We should never believe harmful ideas. Knowledge and understanding help protect us from hate and extremism. Another powerful lesson is the role of society. Parents, teachers, communities, and governments all have a responsibility to support young people and create safe environment where children can dream, learn, and succeed. Instead of spreading hate, we should spread kindness. Instead of promoting violence, we should promote peace. Every child deserves education, safety, respect, and hope for a better future. As young people, we can make a difference by choosing sincere values from others and speaking up for humanity. Let us remember peace begins with understanding, and understanding begins with education. Thank you so much. So yeah, this is my text on the topic of inside the Bombers School by Sharmi. This is successfully done. Assalamu alaikum Pakistan. Zindabad. मैम ने ना इनको यहाँ शिफ्ट करवा दिया